I'm going to show you exactly how to create a beautiful wedding invitation in Canva using free tools and a simple blending trick that makes your design look elegant and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own wedding invitation ready to share or print. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, log in to your Canva account. In the search bar at the top, type in wedding invitation. Now you'll see hundreds of templates you can start with. Templates are great if you want something quick, but in this tutorial, we're going to create something unique. A wedding invitation where the photo beautifully blends into the canvas background. So instead of selecting a template, go ahead and click Create Blank. This gives you a clean starting point. Now, once you're inside the editor, the first step is to upload your chosen photo. Go to the left-hand menu and click Uploads. Drag and drop your photo onto the canvas. Don't worry if it doesn't look blended yet, we'll fix that in the next step. Next, head over to Apps on the left menu, and in the search bar type Image Blender. Open it up and select Linear Blend. You'll notice blur points appear on your photo. Drag and adjust these until the edges of your image softly fade into the canvas. This blending effect makes the photo look like it naturally flows with the background, which is perfect for invitations. Once you're happy with the blend, click Save. Now click on the canvas background and use the color picker to choose a shade that matches your theme. For weddings, light pastels, creams, and muted tones usually work best, but you can always match it with your wedding colors for a more personalized touch. Now it's time to add text. Head over to Text and insert a heading. Double-click and type in the couple's names. For wedding invitations, script-style fonts work beautifully because they give an elegant and formal vibe. Canva has free script fonts you can use, like Great Vibes or Parisienne. You can also add subheadings for details like the date, venue, and RSVP information. Make sure your text is clear and easy to read. Remember, invitations should look good, but also be functional. After setting up your text, let's decorate it. Go to Elements and search for flowers, leaves, or borders. You'll find plenty of free illustrations that can enhance your design. Place them around your text and photo, but don't overdo it. The key is balance, enough decoration to make it elegant, but not so much that it feels crowded. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click Share in the top right corner and select Download. If you're planning to share it digitally, choose PDF Standard. This keeps the file small and easy to send online. But if you're going to print it, make sure you select PDF Print for the highest quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created your own personalized wedding invitation in Canva, unique, elegant, and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to learn more about Canva, don't miss our free 20-minute masterclass for beginners, where we cover all the basics step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.